Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to put money in your Tabby account. So let's get started. First open your Tabby app, then click on money option in the bottom, then click on Tabby card option. Now you will see top up option. Click on top up. Now drag the icon to choose your amount. So for this video purpose I want to put 100 dirham. So I have selected 100 dirham. Then I have to click on pay. Now from here you have to choose the payment method. Okay, you can add a new card or you can select your previous card. After selecting card, then click on pay. Wait few seconds. Now you can see I have successfully added 100 dirham in my Tabby account. So guys, if you think this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe to my channel.